Okay, let's look at this carefully. I have 3 variables, drink 1, drink 2, and drink 3. And each one is referencing its own hash. These hashes are used to describe the particular drink. So the first drink we have is seltzer. How do we know that? Because we can see that there's a key of name. All 3 of these drinks have a key of name, but have different values. So this first drink is seltzer, the second drink is Coca-Cola, the third drink is water. I recommend water, although you'll see me violate this. But tonight, appropriately enough, I have water, unlike last night. So we have, if you look carefully, each hash also has another key called ingredients. But this is where things get hairy. What is the value of each of these ingredients? It's an array. And that's fine. It just gets, there's just lots of brackets and parentheses going on. It's hard to read that. But when dealing with APIs, you want to get really good at that. So we are going to hone that skill today and tomorrow. So the reason we have an array here is because, seltzer, I can't just say either water or bubbles. Those are both important ingredients in seltzer. So really my ingredients is a list of things. So the best way to depict a list is with an array. So my value, instead of being a number or instead of being a string, is an array. It's the array of strings that represent the list of ingredients for seltzer. And I don't know why everyone thinks that Coca-Cola is such a secret recipe. It's very, very simple. It's water, bubbles, sugar, and brown food coloring. Everybody knows that. And water, you might have thought does not have multiple ingredients, but it has hydrogen and oxygen. It's hard to make water. So does it make sense why this is the way in code to depict these various beverages. But again, it gets tricky. Technically, another way to put this is we have an array inside of a hash, right? By the way, you could have arrays inside of arrays. I didn't really demo that yet. You could have hashes inside of hashes. But we'll get to all this, don't you worry.